Hey everyone, every instruction I'm about to give is confirmed by experts working here in the shop. So take a deep breath, we'll fix this together. If your Subaru suddenly shows the message SRH disabled, the first thing to know is that it doesn't mean your headlights have retired or that the car is broken. SRH stands for Steering Responsive Headlights. Basically, the lights that turn with the steering to better illuminate curves at night. When this warning appears, it's just saying, hey, I'm not going to move the headlights for now. Now, many mechanics have noticed that sometimes this message appears even without any obvious problem. Several mechanics mention that the system can lose its settings or turn off by itself after turning the car off and on, or even after disconnecting the battery. It's like when your favorite app freezes and just needs a restart to go back to normal. One of the most common causes is that SRH is simply turned off in the menu or with the dash button. Yes, this happens a lot. One owner thought their system was broken, but they had accidentally pressed the SRH off button. Turning it back on from the settings screen or button usually fixes the issue instantly. If a reset or button press doesn't fix it, another frequent reason is loose or corroded wiring or connectors. The motors inside the headlights need to communicate with the car's computer. If a wire moves or gets dirty, the system can automatically shut down for safety. Cleaning and securing these connectors has resolved the warning for many form users. It's also important to consider the steering angle and position sensors. SRH depends on them to know how to move the headlights. If the sensors send incorrect data, the car's ECU disables the function to prevent errors. A scan with a diagnostic tool can recalibrate the sensors and clear the message. In more extreme cases, some mechanics have had to replace the entire headlight unit. Yes, it's a bit more expensive, but if the internal headlight motor fails or gets stuck, there's no other way to get SRH working again. This happens less often, but it's something mechanics have confirmed.